donuts for you.
Yeah. Jody, what are we doing?
Going tree chopping.
Are you so excited? Is that no or yes?
Yes.
Oh, because it looks like you're shaking your head no.
Yes.
So Dad, what kind of tree are we looking for? Dad?
We're looking for fir.
Spelled F-I-R.
Jimmy's taking a nap. There's Mom somewhere in the corner. Mom, wave to the camera.
Hi.
You look like an Eskimo. You're so excited, Michael?
Very, but my butt hurts.
Well, that's where the rabbits live. I have no idea where he's taking us, but it's kind of scary. I have never ever been back that way.
There's no more trees. Where are we going?
There is no more trees here. And this guy is scaring us.